I'm taking a close look at the electronics inside this DeWalt cordless drill, concentrating particularly on the trigger switch and speed control. With the drill already stripped down, you can clearly see where the wiring between the battery connection, switch and motor. I'm cutting the wires because I want to completely dismantle the switch and show you what's actually inside. This trigger does more than simply switch the drill on and off. As you progressively squeeze it, it also controls the speed of the motor. I'll take the switch apart piece by piece so you can see the contacts and internal components, together with the small electronic control module located lower down in the drill. Between them, these components control the electrical power from the 18-volt battery and allows you to vary the drill speed with the trigger. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you would like to see more of my DIY videos, please visit my channel.